Power BI Sales Pipeline Analytics and Visualization is designed to give experienced Power BI users further practice on data modeling and report creation. The course begins with data preparation. We connect to our data, perform basic transformations, and import an external date table, which we then map to the dates in our main fact table. We then set up relationships between our various tables. However, since we're dealing with a sales pipeline, we have a main fact table which contains multiple significant dates as we track the progress of each lead from the contact stage right through to sales. This course will show you how to establish multiple relationships between the same two tables and then use DAX to activate the appropriate relationship as you perform calculations. And the course provides plenty of additional practice in creating DAX measures. We then turn our attention to visualizing our data. We look at using the funnel visual, as well as displaying a hierarchy of images in slices, which enable the user to track the performance of sales managers as well as individual salespeople. We also look at a useful technique for creating a chart which only becomes visible when a slicer selection is made by the user. In short, this course will provide Power BI users who are familiar with the basics with a challenging hands-on workshop which will expand their familiarity with data modeling, visualization, and report creation.